In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email address from Gmail memory. Sometimes Gmail keeps suggesting old or incorrect email addresses when you start typing in the to field, even if you don't want to use them anymore. These suggestions come from Gmail's built-in contact memory, not just from your saved contacts. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to remove those unwanted addresses so they stop popping up. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because the suggested addresses are stored per account. Once you're in your inbox, start a new message by clicking the Compose button, usually found in the top left corner. A new message window will open. Click inside the To field and begin typing the email address you want to remove. As you type, Gmail will show a list of suggested addresses that match what you've entered. Look carefully through that list and find the exact address you no longer want Gmail to remember. When you see the unwanted address appear in the suggestions, hover your mouse over that specific entry. On the right-hand side of that suggestion, you should see a small X or a remove option appear. This can be a little subtle, so move your cursor slowly and make sure you're directly on the suggestion you want to delete. Click the X or remove icon. As soon as you do this, Gmail will remove that address from its autocomplete memory for this account. To confirm that it worked, click away from the Compose window, then start a new message again. Type the same name or part of the email address you just removed. If everything went correctly, that unwanted address should no longer appear in the suggestion list. If you still see it, double-check that you deleted the right suggestion and that you're in the correct Gmail account. You can repeat this process for any other old, misspelled, or unused addresses that you'd like to clean up. Just remember, type the address, hover over the suggestion, and click the remove icon. Over time, doing this will keep your Gmail autocomplete list clean, accurate, and much easier to use, helping you avoid sending emails to the wrong person or to outdated addresses. That's all there is to it. A quick, simple way to delete an email address from Gmail memory.